what?
Not one on that.
This one? Well, to the Chimp Show, folks. That's where we got to yesterday. Or on part one, I guess. Got all this packed in. We're packing in on each side as we're putting the dirt in. We just put this together so that way if the water did fill up enough and start flooding out or washing out, it wouldn't come through right here what I had just packed in and start washing out. So found the seal for it because you know, didn't have a seal, and now luckily we found that seal, or they found that seal. So we're gonna pop that back off, put the seal on, put it back together, start putting dirt over this side to hold it in. And while it's out, I'll probably get some more dirt down here underneath this end down here. It's a little bit high. I'll move that rock back out of the way, get some more dirt down there just to hold that end of the tile up a little bit better, and then start filling dirt around this. So we got about another 2 truckloads of dirt to move. I got to go back over here to the borrow pit, which is getting to be a pretty big hole. And I got old Marvin over here greasing the tractor up, or getting everything greased up, and letting everything warm up, and we're gonna get back at it. We're gonna hump this up a little bit more because this was a big hole, and it's gonna want to settle down some. The homeowner's gonna spread some straw and some seed on it, and hopefully that keeps it from washing out. Put some winter oil on it. We still got some cold days ahead of us. Hopefully that winter oil gets some roots in the ground, and then the straw will keep it from washing out. And then if it does settle down, we'll come back, put some more dirt on it for them. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's go back to the borrow pit. Well, ran into a problem. That's why you walk around stuff. This bolt right here needs to be tightened up just a little bit. That's coming off the steering pump. I tried to tighten it with just a crescent wrench, and ain't got enough oomph, I guess, to do it. So Marv went up there to see if he can find a cheater bar. hopefully you can hear me now. So the creek is going to come out and go this way. So I need to kind of pack everything in. That's about where a tile will go. He might cut it. And then get some of these rocks, like this one. Up underneath where that water is going to come out. So right here I'm gonna try to get these two moved over just a little bit, and then I'll worry about that stupid rock. So if the water's coming out here, hitting, it'll turn. But if it's a gully washer, it might be shooting out. So I might need to slide this rock that way, just a smidgen. Y'all pretty much see what I got going on, so I'm gonna turn the camera off, save a little bit of battery, and once we get closer to filled up here and start working on this lower half, I will bring you back in. I'm trying to get the center right here over top of that tile, and that whole spot that we dug out, I'm trying to get it raised up just a little bit. So that way when it does settle down, because it will settle down, hopefully everything settles down in about level. So I'm getting it tracked in. As I get it tracked in, I'll start dressing it up a little bit better once it's packed dirt. That way if I find any voids, it'll track it in, and then I can start finishing work. No, it's a good people you're working for when they bring you Chick-fil-A and there's not even a Chick-fil-A around us. I don't even know how they got a Chick-fil-A. I don't know how they got it. Well, I believe this one's a wrap, folks. Got it packed in on each side, best I can. Got the rocks down there, curving it, one on each side, making like a V almost. And then that big rock, just in case comes a gully washer. And then there's, underneath this dirt right in here, is more rocks to get it to go on down the creek. So, yeah, I got it humped up a little bit, so that was a big old hole. Pond ain't quite filled up yet, but you can see that way when it settles down, because that was a big hole in the ground. When it settles down, hopefully it'll be good and about level. So we straightened this up a little bit. They said really not worry about it. They ride razors around here, so it makes a little trail for them, which helps. I guess that'll work. Told them they had another pond down there now, and they're getting somebody to come in here and move all these trees and move all this dirt and reroute this creek through here. So yeah, that job's a little bit too big for me, so I went ahead and, you know, said no, I can't really do that. But so I didn't have to dress none of that up, so that was good. And yeah, they're gonna get some winter out, some straw on this and seed it, and we'll come back and check it out at a later date. Thanks for watching the Chilton Show, folks, and God bless. Catch you on the next one.